Yeah, so currently guys, we're in the bushes. We're just like, I would say 7 kilometers outside Outjo. And we're looking at the infrastructure and hunting a few birds. So I hope it goes well. Let's see what happens. Currently we're still walking around the bushes. These are a few thick, what do you call it? Thick bushes, I would say. It's because it has been raining a lot lately. Then after it rains, then the bushes grow more and more, longer and longer. So it's actually really dangerous because there might be a few snakes here. We wouldn't be able to see that because the leaves and the bushes are really long. Yeah, so let's see what else happens. Guys, as you can see, the bushes are really long here and there's nothing that you can actually see. Like if I had to look at this, I wouldn't be able to tell if there's anything inside. If you look at my feet, they're just full of this. So yeah guys, but we just keep on pushing. As you can see, we have the 2 dogs here. This dog was trained for the military, but then it was rejected because it was a little bit too young. So then we had to take it in as our own. And this dog, it was recruited for the Marines, but then it didn't end up going because it was the same story, it was too young. So then we've had them for now 2 years. And yeah, now we're just hunting with them because they know what to do. And here we've got Nikki here. Yeah, so guys, let's continue with the walk and the hunting. Yeah guys, so as you can see, we had to make a pit stop because I don't know if you could tell, but let me quickly flip my camera so you can see. Yeah, as I was saying, there was a lot of this on my trousers, so then I had to take it off. But as you can see, my cousin there, he's been going to the bushes from when he was like, I would say 5 years old. So he knows this whole place with his eyes open, in and out. He could literally come to this exact point and go home with his eyes closed. Yeah, but so far we haven't really shot anything. As you can see, let me flip the camera. As you can see, we have the rifle right there, and this guy is shooting the rifle, but he doesn't really catch anything. It's a bit weak now because there's something wrong with it, but yeah, we're still shooting. Let's see how it goes. Yeah, so far we are still checking around. Let me flip the camera. Yeah, we've been walking for 4 miles now. Absolutely marvelous. As you can see, the stone was stuck to my trouser. Same with all these wheat and everything, or whatever you call it. Yeah, this place is absolutely marvelous. It's actually my first time here. I don't know if you can tell, but that water is actually residue from your toilets. I don't know if you can tell. Maybe a few of you would recognize a few of your stuff here. But yeah, all of that. And there's still another one that side and that side. This side is the road to Outjo. Oh, you won't be able to see anything, but it's the road to Outjo. Yes. Yeah, you didn't know. Yeah, so this side, there's still like 2 others there. Then there's one that side that's dry. So yeah, let's see how it goes. Check this out. We're here with Nikki and then Prince McCosta. That's what he said they call him. I asked him earlier, then he said that people call him Kotsa. So yeah, then we have the 2 dogs here. Yeah, so as you can see, there's actually a golf course right here. There's a golf course right here. It goes all the way there for like, I would say 1 kilometer. Yeah, right about there. I was saying there's a golf course right about there. we're actually about to walk there. Then I'll show you guys how it actually looks like. Yeah, I have to be careful here because all the grass is so slippery. Yeah, so currently we at the golf course, but we have to be extremely quiet because there's a bird right there that Kotsa wants to shoot. There's a bird right there. I don't know if you can see it, but Kotsa wants to shoot it. I don't know what's the name of it. All I remember is it was in a cartoon. You know, Mordecai from regular show? Yeah, that bird. So yeah, let's go on with it. But this is the golf course, yo. It stretches until that point right there, that side. Then it comes back to here. And there's actually a soccer field also. I don't know if you know, but there's a soccer field right there too, and a farm with goats. So yeah, so currently he's about to shoot the bird. Just look there. Just look, he's about to shoot the bird. He found one. We have to be extremely quiet because these birds are endangered species and we won't find any others. But yeah, just check. I don't know if you can see. You heard that, right? I think you missed because you would have heard the bird making a sound. But let's go closer. You can see there's Ruby there in this pavement special. Yeah. Oh my days, he shot it. You got the bird, right? See guys, he shot the bird. I don't know if I captured that, but yeah, so I don't know if you can see, this is an endangered species. Bring it. What the hell, man? As you can see, we shot the bird. We shot the bird.
Still alive.
Yeah, the bird is still alive. Yeah, so let's continue with our journey. The language these guys speak here is called Damara. They told me that it's a cultural language, it's a tribe here in Namibia. Yeah, so then it's Damara and Afrikaans. I don't know if you guys have heard about that, because you know South Africa was colonized by the Dutch. So then one of the Dutch's language is almost closest to Afrikaans. So then South Africa colonized Namibia back in the days. There's one town in Namibia that belonged to South Africa back then. It was called Walvis Bay. I don't know if I said it right, but yeah, it was colonized and it was owned by South Africa until 1993, I think, or 1991, when Namibia got its independence. And then after that, then the president of South Africa gave this town back to Namibia. So yeah, but as you can see, still walking here. So this is the road that goes to Outjo. Goes like this, and there's all the birds that we're looking for, but they've scattered away. So yeah, they're stopping there. Yeah, so futsek actually means like go away. For people it's actually more offensive, but here it means like go away to the dogs, to chase them away. So as you can see, he's about to shoot. Yeah, let's see how he does it. I'll come back when he actually gets a bird that is about to shoot. As you can see, guys, this is the bird that was caught. I don't know, this is animal cruelty, but I don't know why they do it. they say it's something fun that he like. So yeah, we're about to call him Jimmy. Yeah, we haven't found anything, but we're walking back to Kotsa. I'm gonna get the rifle, then I show you guys a bit about it and how it actually looks like. Oh, just wait a little bit. He might probably get something here because he's loading up. He's actually pumping up the gun because it's not actually a real rifle. It's I would say an airsoft gun or whatever you call it. They use it for birds and animal. It's a really dangerous gun because you can also shoot someone and they would actually get hurt from it. And it's actually anyone would get hurt from that gun, but wouldn't kill you. So yeah, I'll come get a closer look when I'm next to him and I'll give him for a quick interview. So Kotsa tells me there might be snakes around there, so we have to take this gravel road, but I don't know how we're gonna pass since it's full of water. I might slip here. It's not regular water, it's water from the toilet. Let's see how I pass here. It's really slippery, but I might manage just to get through. Yeah, I'm currently doing it right, getting through the water. Yeah, so we caught up to Kotsa, and as you can see, these pipes go around all the way in Outjo, in the toilet. Can I ask you a question? What rifle is that? I want to know what rifle is that. As you can see, guys, I don't know if see, there's a Manchester air rifle.
Winchester.
Oh, Winchester. Yeah, this is such a good gun. Yeah. Okay, I'll get back to you when there's something interesting, guys. Yeah, guys, so as you can see, here are leopard prints here. I don't know how we got to this point, but there might be leopards close by, because as you can see, they're really fresh. So yeah, they might be at the end of this route. We should be really cautious in case anything bad happens. Yeah, here are the prints. I don't know if you can see. These are fresh leopard prints. They're that side. They go all the way around there, so we might find them around there somewhere. Yeah, guys, as you can see, there's quite a water trail here. There's like a sprinkle. It's some type of oyster, or what do you call it? Yeah, a fountain here. But I wouldn't recommend anyone to get close to this, because I've heard it's water from the toilets. Because as I said earlier, all this comes from the town. Then it comes back and it goes there inside. So yeah, we're still walking along the golf course. And as you can see, Prince gave a warning. So we should be really quiet and see what happens here. As you can see, he's here trying to shoot the bird. He might successfully get another catch again. And imagine, this would be his second catch. And we came all the way from there. You see, at all those mountains, we walked all the way there. Yeah, that's a sign he got the bird. He's about to shoot all of them. Because you see, it's a wide open area and it would be easy to find birds. So yeah. Yeah, so he had the opportunity to shoot a guinea fowl on its head, but its head was too tiny. But he says the body of it is a little bit too hard, so he can't really shoot there. But we're gonna check what else we're gonna do. Yeah, guys, so that was one activity crossed off on my checklist. So for Namibia so far, I would highly recommend it. I would rate it out of 10. I would rate it 8 out of 10. Everything that has happened so far was absolutely marvelous. The views are incredible. I don't know if you can see, the views are really incredible. There's a lot going on. We're absolutely in the jungle. We might do other activities. That would be on another episode. So stay tuned. Please like, subscribe, and press the post notifications button. I'll see you in the next video. As you can see, there's Nikki and the 2 dogs. Ruby and the Pavement Special. So yeah.